Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so we're gonna jump straight into the video. So today we're going to be creating or learning how to make a custom hairline. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and grab your concealer or a fabric marker if you prefer that. So next, you want to take your concealer and a brush, and you want to go ahead and draw in the hairline. So the line is to guide you on how to ventilate the hair. Okay, so for this part right here, you want to draw the line following the following your hairline or following the picture of your client hairline. Okay, so take a picture of your client hairline or take a picture of your hairline, so that way you can draw the line. Okay, so the line is like a guideline. You can either stay, you can choose to stay behind the line or a little bit over the line, but at least you have the line as a guideline, so to follow the shape of your hairline. Also, one more thing you need to do, you need to take your measurement from ear to ear measurement, so that way you know exactly where to draw in your line. So you want to make sure to get that measurement right. Okay, take your measuring tape and measure from one ear to the other ear. Okay, so that also will help you in case if your mannequin doesn't have the ear to kind of guide you on where to start. As you can see right here on this mannequin, I went a little bit down because my measurement is like, you know, more than the one. My head is a bit bigger than the mannequin I'm using. So as you can see right here, I can bring it down a little bit just to get it right. So this is why it's very important to take your measurement first before starting whatever thing you need to do. Okay, so at the ear right here, you want to make sure to start with one strand of hair for that natural looking hairline. If you've been using two strands of hair for the lace frontal, getting close to the ear line, you need to switch from two strands of hair to one strand of hair. Okay. Okay, so moving on to the front part of the lace frontal. So for right here, you also want to switch from two strands of hair to one strand of hair. And getting close to the very front, you need to space it out. Okay, so what do I mean by space it out? You can space it according to your hairline. So if you want the your lace frontal to be full but yet look natural, then you need to skip one hole on the lace and also use one strand of hair. Okay, again, if you want it to look full and still look natural, okay, you need to switch to one strand of hair and also skip one hole. And if you want the more spacing on the hair, then you can go ahead and skip two or more, depending on what you are going for, following your hairline, following your client's hairline. So there are some parts where you need to skip more than one hole. Okay, and go ahead and do that. Just okay, and also bear it in mind, after you're done creating your hairline, if it look a bit too full for what you are going for, you can go back and pluck it. But the main purpose of creating your custom hairline is to not deal with the plucking at the end of it. Okay, so that's why you need to keep it in mind. What exactly are you trying to achieve? Are you trying to achieve that a fuller looking hairline but yet look natural, or are you trying to achieve a more thinner looking hairline or more supernatural hairline? So go ahead and decide on what you want and create it according to what you want. So you can either skip one hole again or skip more than one hole. So that's up to you. So for me, I only skip one hole. As you can see right here, it's not that thin. So that's what I was going for, and I achieved exactly what I want. Again, not everyone want the same thing. You might want yours to be a bit thinner, a bit fuller. It's up to you. Just make sure that at the front of the frontal, you need to use only one strand of hair. Okay, if you want that natural looking, you need to use just one strand of hair. Okay. Okay, so one more thing. As always, you don't want to rush the process. The more time you give yourself to create a natural looking hairline, the more you're going to fall in love. So once you're done and you look at what you've created, it's such a satisfying feeling looking at it and like, wow, I made this by myself. Okay, it's so satisfying. The key is to be patient and take your time. Take lots of breaks, okay? You don't want to stress yourself out, so just take as much break as you want, okay? And trust me, you're going to love the end result if you take your time. Don't rush it. Okay, so this is the final result right here. I'm just going ahead to comb it, and I love it. I know I say this all the time. Every time I make a new wig, I always say I love it. I really love this one. Okay, first of all, it's a natural looking color, and the hairline is perfect. Okay, perfect, exactly what I wanted. Okay. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today. And I'll see you all in my next one.